My YouTube family, welcome to my channel. I am Vika Sharma, physical instructor. Today I will be explaining yoga, the meaning of yoga and Ashtanga yoga. Before going for any practical session, we should know the theory behind that exercise. Yoga means to unite yourself with the spirit. Means you have to discipline your life first to go for the practicals. Okay. In Sanskrit, it is called Yog Karmashu Koshalam. Means whatever work you are doing, it should be in the discipline. That comes under karma. Okay. So next, there are 8 limbs of yoga. First is Yama, Niyam, Asana, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyan, Samadhi. These are the 8 limbs of yoga. Ashtanga yoga according to Patanjali Sutra. Yama means discipline, social discipline. Niyam means self-discipline. Asana means pose or posture. Whatever pose or posture you are attaining during the practical of yoga, that is called asana. Pranayam means vital force like inhalation, exhalation. These activities comes under pranayam. Pratyahara, dharana, dhyan, samadhi. These all 8 limbs of yoga. Firstly, we'll focus on asanas. That falls under Hatha yoga. Then, yoga has different types like the exercises which we do like yogic asanas, postures that falls under Hatha yoga. Then bhakti we do, okay, in the field of meditation, dhyan, that comes under bhakti yoga. Dharma yoga, whatever activities you are following spiritually, religiously, that falls under Dharma yoga. We basically focus on Hatha yoga because Hatha yoga consists of exercises, yogic asanas, pose, posture, pranayam, which help us to stay fit in these days. Apart from that, when we speak about asana, there are different types of asana like standing asana, sitting asana, lying asana. Lying asana means doing exercise on the basis of your stomach on the spine position. 2 positions are there like spine position as well as abdominal position. So going for asanas, first of all, we need to keep things in our mind like do you have any kind of injury, any kind of surgery or any medical complications. Because when I am going to upload short videos or long videos of asanas, there I will be mentioning that this suppose butterfly pose should be done during the periods to release the cramp, or it should be done during pregnancy as well to help to strengthen your glutes muscle, hip opening exercises. Same way, if anybody is having an injury in their hip joint, those patients are restricted to do butterfly pose. So same way, whenever I will be uploading a video on yogic asanas, will be mentioning at the site that do's and don'ts of this asana. So whenever you practice, please see the instruction which I will be writing on my video. So please follow that instruction and continue doing yoga asanas. Okay. So yoga asana is totally based on nature, right? If you see the name of poses on tree, name of poses on animals name of poses on we call this hills, okay, like Parvatasana. So there is no religion in this yoga, okay. Yoga is just a practical way of living life to stay away from health issues. It helps to cure many issues like maybe modern lifestyle diseases, which I have already spoken in my last video, as well as postural deformities. And therapeutic yoga helps to get rid of the problems like which we face during injuries or any accidents. So therapeutic yoga is specifically designed for those kind of clients or patients to help them to get rid of the problems which they are already facing. Then comes under pranayam. Pranayam means vital force of energy. Like I'm talking to you, this is only possible with the help of air. Okay, my voice is traveling to you, it's only possible with the help of air. So vital capacity means your body capacity, your heart capacity, how much oxygen you are consuming, that can be developed through pranayam. Okay, pranayam help us to strengthen our respiratory system, Like we have pranayam, which will be done with the help of nostrils, the pranayams through mouth. So we will be continuing in our videos step by step. Apart from that, if you want to grow, right, if you want to grow in the sense physically, mentally, socially, emotional development, excuse me, then social emotional development. So for that you need first of all physical exercises. Okay, physical exercises which help you to maintain balance physically, mentally, socially, emotionally. So when you are following the videos, so you need to do practical, okay, of that asana. Inhalation and exhalation is very important when you are performing any yoga asanas. When we go for an asanas, there we inhale, and once we reach to the asana, we exhale. In yoga, you don't need to hold breath, first of all. So whatever yoga pose you are doing, there it should be in the ease manner. Okay, if your body is not supporting you forward bend too much, don't push your body limits. Okay, gradually your body will adapt to that movements. First you go for that asana, try to maintain that pose. If you feel uncomfortable, slowly come back and relax. Every day when you practice makes man perfect. Every day when you practice it, and your body will give you the challenge, or your body will be able to accept the challenge to do that yogasana. Okay, this is for today. This is for only today. So next video I will be explaining, I will be showing the videos which will help to release the cramps during menstruation time. Menstruation means periods, when the woman is in the period. So what kind of yoga asanas should be done to release the cramps? Thank you. Stay in touch. Keep watching my videos. Yes, and also suggest me if you want to upload any specific video related to specific medical purpose. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you in my next video.